Here's how to make an outside diameter thread milling operation. We'll go to Create Operation, into our hole making type, and we're going to select Boss Thread Milling. Here, we're going to change our thread mill to this one for our outside diameter. We'll say OK. Once we're here, same as an internal thread, very similar to a spot drilling operation, we're going to specify our feature geometry. Our feature geometry is going to be our boss right here. Once we select our boss, you'll notice it populates here in our list. And then this is going to be a predefined thread length of 1/2 inch is a good number for our example. And then we're going to go ahead and do a 1/13 outside thread. So here, a little bit different than an internal where there's all kinds of drop downs to expand. This is all in one. So you can see there's UNF, UNEF, UNC, and various types of threads all located in this one size chart. We're going to do a 1/13, so we'll select 1/13, and then it's automatically going to populate our major and minor diameters here. And once we have done that, we can say OK, and then we can generate our toolpath. And there you have a outside diameter thread milling toolpath. Similar to an internal, you need to make sure that you check with your manufacturer specs for your thread mill and find out if they require a radial step over or not. If so, right here you can add in that step over of maybe 20 thousandths or whatever they may require, and depending on how much material you have on your boss or how much material you need to remove from your major to your minor, NX will determine whether it needs to add another pass or not. In this instance, this thread mill does not need that, so we can just say OK. And there we have our thread mill. If we come in here, you can see it's just going to start, and then it will just cylindrically ramp down our boss to create our thread.